So Chris,
Hi.
welcome to our Spartan Kitchen. But what we're making today is a Green Lean Smoothie. So first of all, we're going to cut our cucumbers, just small pieces, apple.
And do you want to take the middle out of the apple?
Yeah. And then we have our ginger, and then we just put our spinach over there. Cool. Well, thanks for cutting all that, Chris. So we're ready to make our smoothie.
Okay, you're going to pop everything in.
Yep. Just go ahead. Number one.
Okay, apples. Let's put the spinach in next. And let's go with the old cucumbers and a bit of the ginger.
Our sweetener, our honey, and of course our protein powder.
Yeah, great. Okay, let's pop that one in then.
Perfect.
And then a bit of the honey.
Yep.
Nice. This is organic too.
Yep.
Pop the coconut water in. Pop that in.
Yep.
All right.
Here we go.
And then the magic. All right.
Looks good to me.
Looks healthy. Okay, one for you.
Thank you.
Oh, that is nice.
So Chris, thanks a lot for coming to the Spartan Kitchen.
Great. Thank you for having me.
Aru.
Aru.